Welcome to Janesville Kia, your premier destination for purchasing a vehicle. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in inventory, and comes equipped with power outside mirrors, leather-wrapped steering wheel controls, heated front seats, remote start system, climate control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth smartphone integration, MP3 player, and has less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Here at Janesville Kia, customer service is our top priority. Our friendly and experienced staff will make the transition into your next vehicle as smooth as can be. We provide a complete customer care experience, and our honest, no-pressure staff can help you drive away in a vehicle that is just right for you. So come visit our beautiful state-of-the-art showroom today. You'll be glad you did. We're located at 3419 Ryan Road in Janesville.